science method. Graphs are amazing things. They show me the patterns in the data underneath, but without any headings or labels, I've got no idea what it means. So in this video, we're going to look at how to set up our headings and our labels for the axes. And bonus tip, it's a really easy way to get marks in an exam. Here are 3 common patterns that you can use in your titles for graphs. The effect of something on something. So, for example, the effect of exercise per day on the risk of heart disease. So the change in something over something. So for example, you could here have the change in hours of daylight over a year. Here you can say the number or percentage of individuals with something. So for example here, you have the number of individuals or the percentage of individuals with different eye colours. Just be aware that when you're writing your title, do not include the units. So say the effect of exercise per day, don't say the units. On risk of heart disease, no units. The units go in the label, not in the title. Now, once we've got our axes, we need to give our graph a title. And the title needs to include both variables. So you must include what's on the x-axis and what is on the y-axis. So in this case, I've got distance from the lamp and number of bubbles produced. So I'm going to start off by saying graph showing the effect. Now you can always start your titles like this, graph showing the effect of, and then what comes after of is this thing on the x-axis. So it's graph showing the effect of, and then you're going to say on, and then say what's on the y-axis. Okay, make sure that your title is underlined. Now a handy hint is that sometimes in a question you may be given a description of the experiment. So here, an experiment was done to investigate the effect of distance from a light source on the number of bubbles produced by a plant. So just look carefully in the description of the experiment, you'll see here, effect of distance from a light source on the number of bubbles produced by a plant. And you can see that that's going to help you to write your title. So you can write it the same way it's described in the question. Just look for those keywords, effect of, and then on. That's going to tell you your x-axis and your y-axis.